Compact and goes for around $35, but with up to 80 kPa suction power and a promise to do everything that you need a vacuum sealer to do, let's see if this brand new MegaWise VS6621 is worth the bucks. Hey everyone, Matthew Lee here from ShouldIt, bringing you another installment of the ShouldIt Vacuum Sealer series. Today's spotlight is on the MegaWise VS6621. I've got a fresh unit here, and we're going to tear into the package, take a look at every feature, assess the build quality, and see if this machine delivers on its claims. Let's jump right in. In front of me is the MegaWise VS6621 packaging, really impressive retail box. Now let's see what we've got inside. We have the main vacuum sealer unit itself, around 10 vacuum bags for you to get started, an air suction hose for accessories, and paperwork. Standard starter kit for a vacuum sealer. Now let's take this vacuum sealer out of this packaging. Visually, the VS6621 presents a modern, streamlined aesthetic that I think would complement virtually any kitchen setup. It has a very compact footprint and is quite lightweight. So if your kitchens have limited counter real estate, this one will do the trick great. The control interface features a logical layout with each button having corresponding indicator lights to show active settings. What immediately stands out is the integrated cutter, a premium feature rarely seen at this price point that eliminates the need for scissors when creating custom-sized bags. The lid mechanism requires firm, even pressure to engage properly. While not the effortless snap you might find on premium models, once locked, it creates a secure connection that should maintain very consistent pressure during operation. Let's break down the key capabilities of the MegaWise VS6621. Just keep in mind that we're relying on manufacturer claims until we take a hands-on test, which should be soon. Suction-wise, the VS6621 offers 80 kPa according to MegaWise. The vacuum also offers dedicated dry and moist modes, but we also have wet, as well as wet and cold. In the first, there's also a vacuum bag type button. You can pick the exact thinness of your vacuum bag. There's also a progress and diagnostic bar here, which will light up as the vacuum sealer operates. And if anything was to go wrong, it can tell you exactly what you need to do to fix issues. Not many vacuum sealers, even pricier ones, have this function, so we're really happy that it has this. Let's power up and examine the core function. For our initial test, I'll use one of the provided bags to vacuum pack these cornflakes. Since we're working with a dry product, I'll select the dry food mode, and after feeding the bag into the vacuum chamber, lock it down, I'm going to press the vac seal button. The entire process runs about 15 seconds from start to finish, aligning with MegaWise claims. The noise is moderate, noticeable but not disruptive in the kitchen environment. Looking at our sealed package, we've achieved excellent air removal with a solid, complete seal. The flakes are tightly compressed with no visible air pockets remaining. Let's evaluate the built-in cutter, which is a genuinely convenient feature that's rarely found in such budget-friendly vacuum sealers. The cutter slides smoothly along its track, creating a clean, precise cut. This integrated feature eliminates the frustration of hunting down scissors and trying to cut straight lines when creating custom-sized bags, a small detail that significantly improves the end-user experience. So how does the MegaWise VS6621 position itself in terms of value? For a budget-friendly price point, it delivers an impressive feature set that rivals more expensive models. Based on our initial evaluation, this appears to be a standout option for both vacuum sealing newcomers and experienced users seeking a space-efficient, feature-rich solution. And that concludes our first look at the MegaWise VS6621 Vacuum Sealer. While comprehensive testing is needed to verify the 80 kPa suction performance and the 10 times preservation claims, our first impression is quite positive. In our upcoming detailed review, we'll run the unit through the full sealer test by pitching it against competing models. Want to see how we do it? Search "How should it test vacuum sealers?" If the MegaWise VS6621 interests you, find our Amazon purchase link in the description below. For more vacuum sealer evaluations, check out our complete ShouldIt vacuum sealer series playlist. We value your input. If you're currently using this model, share your experience in the comments. And if you found this overview helpful, support our work with a like, channel subscription, and consider backing ShouldIt to enable more independent, thorough product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.